What are you about to do, Hector?
About to eat this pickled pig's foot.
Why? That makes me want to throw up watching.
Oh, that's so much fucking vinegar, dude.
Is it yummy? You're not done.
I'm done.
There's still some more.
Where?
Flip that stuck on it and get all the meat off.
Fuck, dude, that's done.
Alright, so you get a 4-minute mark.
Oh, dude, that's so brutal. Dude, you murdered it. Lay that murder game down. That's all. That's pickled pig's feet.
Things you do for free beer. I just want you to barf on camera. That's what I'm waiting for.
I'm really
Good.